hate dropping and losing screws. You know what's frustrating is when you got two hands, but you really need three, right? Now this wrist magnet of mine has gotten some use recently, as you can see. But if you're like me, no more losing screws or dropping screws in the middle of a project. It's so frustrating. So when you're in the middle of screwing or nailing something, it's literally right there at the end of your wrist. Not in your pocket or not in your mouth, which I'm sure you've done before. Comes in red, blue, and black. Also comes with free shipping, and if your order is over $20, you get an additional $5 off. So click that link down below.